Summers. I'm so excited because it's spring and I'm studying a spring table inspired by everything blooming around me and a beautiful, delicious Cosmic Crisp apple. Let's do this. I've chosen a cozy spot in any backyard. This one just happens to be covered with camellias. A simple 4-foot table, and I'm gonna layer fabric over the table. And this creates, I don't know, it just makes it a bit more special. It seems a bit more lush when the guests come out. I'm starting with a pink gingham, and then I'm just gonna go with a beautiful white linen on top of that. So the gingham will peek out the bottom. Tips for entertaining. It's not letting anything be too precious. And when I say that, I mean china shouldn't be precious. It should be used. And I love to mix and match kind of old and new china. Like, this is just stuff I've picked up all over the place. I feel like every plate tells a story, and I layer like an old plate, and this is a new linen that I'm putting on it. Another old plate, just some simple picnic flatware, not anything too fancy. This is lunch, and I love that the gingham kind of ties in with our entire feel. But just use what you have, but think about mixing and matching it in a different way. Just a little pink glass, white, anything you have works. Table. I love this idea. It's just a simple child's umbrella that I've spray painted. This one's cream, and I did some yellow to be on the ground as kind of a path for my guests to come. And I filled it with the camellia blossoms that were around me. You could fill it with anything in your backyard. You could put wheatgrass in it, but I'm gonna add the star of the show now. So we have the blossoms, and now I'm gonna add the apples. Finish off my sweet spring table, I'm using my menu inspiration, the Cosmic Crisp apple, and I'm putting one at each place setting to decorate the plate. And then I'm going to finish it off. Look at these, you guys. They're the sweetest little gingham paper apple blossoms. It's actually a Cosmic Crisp apple blossom that I'm just going to put on the top. And there's a blog post to show you how to make these, but super simple with paper. I mean, look how cute that is. We're gonna pull up the chairs to the table, and we're gonna fill our other umbrellas so our guests have a little runway coming to the table, and we're gonna have some lunch. Isn't this table adorable, you guys? It's my happy spring table. You do not have to live in the South like I live. You can do this in your kitchen or in your dining room. The idea is just to take something ordinary, like this kid's umbrella, make it extraordinary by adding beautiful blooms and Cosmic Crisp apples, and just inviting your friends over and having the best time. That's what matters most. Happy spring, everybody.